Top 5 Best Staple Gun 2021. Top 1. BOSTITCH Crown Stapler, Narrow, 18GA, SX1838K. Tool-free selectable trigger system, for sequential or contact operation. Drives, 18GA7, 32 narrow crown staples, dial A depth, TM, control, for precise countersinking of staples. Low nail lockout, prevents dry firing. Kit includes, finished stapler, 1, 4 air fitting and carrying case. Top 2. Hitachi M3804AB31, 4 narrow crown stapler, 18 gauge, 1/2 inch to 1-1, 2-inch staple length. Ergonomically designed simple flip actuation switch allows easy transition from single actuation to contact actuation. Tool-free depth adjustment allows, for a professional finish with varying materials. Simple dial in the desired depth and efficiently finish the job. Equipped with a non-slip elastomer grip trigger tool-less. Top 3. BOSTITCH Brad Nailer 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, 2-inch-1, SB2IN1. 5/8 to 1/5, 18 gauge Brad Nailer and 1/2 to 1/1, 2-inch 18 crown staple combo tool, adjustable depth dial. Tool-free directional exhaust. 135 inch-pounds driving power, nail lockout feature eliminates dry firing. Magazine holds 100 nails. Top 4. BOSTITCH Stapler, 7, 16-inch x 2-inch, 651S5. Rapid fire engine produces 10 or more staples per second, lightweight at just 4.2 pounds, tool-free jam clearance reduces downtime. Top 5. Freeman PWC50 Pneumatic 16 gauge 1-inch wide crown stapler. Ideal for heavy-duty applications such as lathing, stucco, roofing, sheathing, truss assembly, foam board insulation, house wrap, fencing, furniture framing, pallets, cabinet frames, and general construction. Compatible with SENCO, Hitachi, Duo Fast, Spot Nails SENCO Hitachi Style, and BNC Eagle 16 gauge glue collated 1-inch wide crown staples from 5/8 to 2 inches in length. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.